Welcome to this review, everybody, of a product called Box Refresh. I was so delighted to see this on their website. I fell in love with it immediately. If you're old enough like me and you remember whiteout, which we used to use when we were manually typing things to make corrections, this is a product very similar to the same idea. It's a color match cover-up for the barcodes and personal information on boxes. So now you can reuse the shipping boxes that you've gotten stuff in and very simply give it a little squeeze. It comes right out on the roller and you literally cover right over the original barcode. Now, a couple of things you don't want to do. You don't want to go over the clear tape. It's not going to adhere very well to that. But any barcodes that might have personal information or written information on them, you can just obliterate those in a second. There you go, a perfectly agnostic box ready for reuse. This I thought was just a brilliant idea. Why didn't anybody think of this until now? You do, when you first get it, there's going to be a little foil seal right on the outlet, right underneath this roller, right in the middle. You're going to want to use a pair of needle nose pliers or a pair of tweezers to pull that seal out, because they want you to get your product as fresh as possible and not spilled all over the place. So it is sealed up, and that's how you unseal it. But man, what a great idea. Bravo to the guys at Box Refresh.